Simba. I hope you can hear me well, despite my washing machine that's on and my appearance. Excuse me, I just finished my workout. I haven't actually finished it, and I just wanted to come in here because I'm a little bit frustrated because I bought this 4-week workout program that is tailored to my equipment and to working from home and to working out from home and everything. And I'm really sorry for all the noises, but I'm washing clothes and I'm also drying clothes upstairs with my dehumidifier, so it's a little bit of a noisy mess. But I couldn't get past the second exercise because I tried to do it properly and there were a lot of jumping exercises and I just couldn't do it. And past the second exercise, I stretched completely, fully, followed all the steps, and the second exercise involved some sort of jumping jacks. And I just couldn't do it. My knee really hurts now, so I had to stop. I'll pick it up tomorrow. I've also messaged the girl saying that I won't be able to do any jumping exercises. I don't have any knee problems. It just hurts. I think my knee is just not used to exercises, and that's okay. I'm trying to be kind to myself and say that this is a process. I'm not expecting myself to just do all the exercises properly from the first time, since I haven't worked out really in my entire life. Like I've been doing some stuff on and off, but I've never consistently worked out for more than 2 months at a time, which is nothing. And this is a lifestyle change, so I want to change my routine to include sport, and I've done it this morning, and even though I haven't finished it, I've started it, and that is the most important. So I'll pick it up tomorrow. Hopefully tomorrow I can repeat this day without the jumping and be able to finish it. But this is what has always put me off working out. The fact that I cannot finish a workout, the fact that I feel like I've failed midway when I cannot finish and I'm exhausted, and the person doing it is like nice and happy and smiling, and I know that is not my case, and I just have to fight to get there, and eventually I will get there, and I will be that person that does it without sweating and without being exhausting and without having a pain in their knees by jumping for 10 times. So now I'm taking a break. I'll pick up my workout stuff tomorrow, and this is a process, so I trust my body that it will help me achieve what I want and get me to where I want to be. But I just wanted to come here and say that it's okay to make slow progress. Slow progress is still progress. And sometimes my day looks like this, when I just get some sweatpants and a baggy hoodie and just chill. And sometimes it reflects my mood, and sometimes it doesn't. Sometimes I just want to be comfy. Sometimes I just feel like I want to hide somewhere, and these baggy clothes are what are giving me that safety feeling. And today I'm not exactly sure which one it is, but I accept it. And the fact that I took a shower and I did a little tiny bit of makeup, just applied some SPF cream and a mascara and some lip balm, and that's it, and I combed my hair, and I don't want to get out of the house, but at least I feel okay with this mood that I'm in today. It doesn't have to be for the entire day. I'm just gonna take it as it is, accept it, embrace it, and try to do the best with the tools that I have. That being said, now we're gonna get something to eat, because I haven't eaten for the entire day, and it is, I don't know exactly what time it is, I guess it's like 11, and I haven't eaten anything, so let's go and put something nutritious in this body.
Here's to the good days, here's to the sorrows. If this is a mistake, I know about tomorrow. I don't wanna fight no more, cause I don't feel the need no more, no. Just wanna make it stop. Maybe it's something in the water, or maybe we just hit the end of the road. Right now it doesn't even matter. It's too late not to let it go. And that's why I wish you the best and say goodbye. You start to get dressed and then we cry, cause we both know it's gonna hurt, but not as much as this does. We had a good run, don't say we didn't. I was your first love, and you were my first one. Cheers to all the memories, the venom and the remedies, yeah. Promise I won't forget, yeah. Maybe it's something in the water, yeah. Or maybe we just hit the end of the road, yeah. Right now it doesn't even matter, yeah. It's too late not to let it go. And that's why I wish you the best and say goodbye. You start to get dressed and then we cry, cause we both know it's gonna hurt, but not as much as this does. So baby, bye. It's for the best and you know why. You gotta leave me here tonight before we make this even worse. It's gonna hurt even more than this does. We gave it all we had, it's time. wish you the best and say goodbye. You start to get dressed and then we cry, 'cause we both know it's gonna hurt, but not as much as this does. So baby, bye. It's for the best and you know why. You gotta leave me here right now before we make this even worse. It's gonna hurt even more than this does.
I've got Simba there, I've got my laptop watching something, and then I've got clothes that I need to take pictures of and put on Vinted. I already have them on Vinted. I'll leave my Vinted account down below if you're in the UK and you're interested. But basically what I've done is over the time I've seen bundles of Vinted and I've bought them with the intention of reselling each individual item to make a tiny profit, basically. But it didn't work out as much and as fast as I thought. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna create bundles again and put them up and just get rid of these clothes because they're not mine. I'm not gonna wear them. I bought them just to sell them and I need to get rid of them because they've been a clutter in my life for about a year now. So I need to get them out. And that's what I'm gonna do today. Now, actually, not today, right now. I hope that's a right angle. I'm just gonna leave this vlog here because it is the evening. It's about 8 p.m. I'm currently making some mac and cheese, but it's not the usual mac and cheese. It's my mother's recipe, which is basically just boiled pasta with feta cheese crumbled in it and then lots of sugar sprinkled on top. It is not healthy, but it is such a comfort food for me and for my partner as well. Sometimes we do it, and I haven't filmed much after the afternoon because I had a crash. I just wanted to stay in bed. I did some uploading on Vinted with the clothes that I that I photographed, and then I just felt like staying in bed because I recently found out that I have an iron deficiency, and that makes me sleepy and not productive and wanted to just lay in bed. And it feels so good to have a diagnosis because I've always just felt like I was just unproductive and lazy, and now it doesn't. I know that that is not the truth. I'm gonna start taking some supplements and it's all gonna be fine and I'm gonna feel energetic for like the first time in years. But yeah, I'll leave the vlog here. I'll finish up the pasta, we'll eat, and then we'll probably go to sleep. And that was my day. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this vlog. The vlogs are gonna be very varied in their time, so it might be 5 minutes, it might be 10 minutes. I don't want to force myself and say that every day I'm gonna film this amount of minutes because I don't want to drag it. I also don't want to not post if a vlog is too short, so they will be inconsistent for a while until I find a flow, but hopefully they will come and I will keep somehow of a constant schedule. I hope. I'm not trying to put a lot of pressure on myself, but I'm trying to convince myself to do it. So I'll see you next time, probably next week. And I wish you all the best until then. Bye!